Good morning, students. Today we'll study about synonyms and antonyms. Though you have already seen in the previous class, yet we are going to talk about these two terms, synonyms and antonyms. Look at page number 35 from your book. What are synonyms? Here I have written two questions. Okay, you can very well see that. What are synonyms? Give example. Here also, what are antonyms? Give examples. Examples you may give at least 5 each. Okay, give 5 each example. Now, what are synonyms? You can write the definitions from your book. Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meanings. So, what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meanings. For example, we can see from the book change and amend, elect and choose. Let us look at the next one. What are antonyms? Give examples. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. What are they? Like antonyms are the opposite meanings of the words. From the example you can see clean. What is the clean? Okay, clean opposite is dirty. Melt opposite is freeze. So these are few things about writing from the book. And one more I have given here. You can see those words. Okay, please look at these words nicely so that you don't have any difficulties, because you have to write the meanings. Okay, here synonyms, on the other side the antonyms of these words. And when you write the antonyms, make sure that you write at least two. Okay, two synonyms of the words given here. Here also the same thing. Okay, two antonyms of the words given there. So first one is abrupt, A-B-R-U-P-T, abrupt. Then you have accurate, ample, calm, cautious. Then we have got extravagant. So 6 of them I have given. You have to write the synonyms of the given words. The other side you look at that. Antonyms: acknowledge, assemble, conceal, diminish, hollow, and hypocrisy. So these are okay. I have given 12. Okay, here synonyms 6, and the other side antonyms 6. So 12 you are given. Make sure that you write the synonyms and antonyms of the given words. Now let us talk about the exercise given at page number 35, exercise number 8. Choose the synonyms of the words in color. So since we have already the options, I'm not going to talk about the whole thing. Maybe I will tell you 1 or 2, and then rest you have to do on your own. Maria was dismayed. Okay, the word dismayed is written in color, so that one we have to look for the synonyms of these words to see the pathetic conditions of the room. So Maria was worried. Okay, so this is what we are going to write. When you write in the copy, I'm showing you one, and then rest you can do it on your own. Let me erase this one. So how you are going to write? Maria was dismayed. Okay, write this word. Okay, dismayed. What is written? Dismayed. To see, continue to write, till the end of the sentence, and underline this word. Okay, please underline that word. And when you write the answer, you don't need to copy the whole sentence. Please do not copy the whole sentence. Just underline, dismayed, and write the answer. What is the answer? Worried. Okay, enough to write this one. Then move on to question number 2. As it is written, Carol thought she was smart enough to find a shortcut. So write that sentence, and second time, when you write the answer, you must write only the answer, not in full sentence. Okay, so smart will be intelligent. And the 2 boys were suspended for having a brawl in class. So brawl, you write the whole sentence. Underline the word brawl. Just underline like this. As I have already showed you. And then you write fight. Hope I have made it clear to you. If there are any kind of difficulties, you may ask me. So you will be doing only these words, okay, as in the beginning I have already given it to you, synonyms and antonyms. And then we have the, from synonym 6, antonym 6 are there, already the work is there. And then exercise number 8, you will be writing in the copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If there are any kind of difficulties, please ask. Thank you so much.